A student who was denied admission to IIT Kanpur's Bachelor of Cybersecurity program allegedly hacked the official websites of IIT Kanpur and IIT Madras in an apparent attempt to showcase his skills. The incident drew attention after the student reportedly left a message on the IIT Kanpur website that read, "Site is hacked. All I need is just a fair chance." The student later claimed responsibility for the cyber breach through posts on social media platforms X and Reddit. He also shared screenshots saying his objective was not to cause harm but to demonstrate his technical abilities. According to the student's posts, he had been denied the opportunity to participate in the hackathon that was part of the admission process, prompting him to prove his capabilities in another way. IIT Kanpur director Manindra Agrawal said the student was not shortlisted because he lacked the required experience. However, he added that the institute may invite the student to its campus, and if he successfully demonstrates his competence, he could be considered for admission in the next admission cycle. Agrawal also said the institute had asked faculty members to counsel the student and make him understand that gaining unauthorized access to computer systems is illegal regardless of his intentions. Meanwhile, an IIT Kanpur official said the institute had initially considered registering an FIR over the alleged hacking. However, it decided to first verify the student's claims and evaluate his technical abilities before taking any legal action. So viewers, do you think the student deserves a second chance? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.